Today I'm going to show you how to make a solar oven with things that you probably have in your house already. So the first thing you're going to need is some sort of cardboard box to make the oven out of. Now I'm using a shoe box, but you could also use a pizza box or an old shipping box, any sort of thing like that. You're going to want some sort of construction paper to line the inside of your solar oven. And you could use black or you could experiment with other colors. I'm just using some old folder today, so feel free to just repurpose old items that you already have. You'll need some aluminum foil for the reflective material, and you'll also need some plastic wrap, and then you're going to use scissors and tape just to put it all together. So the first thing we're going to do is take this construction paper and line the inside of the oven. So you're going to want to line all these four walls here and the bottom. So now that I've lined the inside four corners and the bottom of the box, I'm going to want to put some aluminum foil on this top edge. And if you're using a box that has multiple flaps around the sides, you'll want to line all those edges, and this is going to help reflect the sun into our solar oven. Alright, so you can see that I've lined the top lid of this shoebox with the aluminum foil, which is going to allow us to adjust the angle and make sure that that sunlight really hits what we're cooking inside of the oven. So the last step is just going to be to take this plastic wrap and secure it over the top of this bottom part so that we can ensure that whatever we're cooking inside stays really hot. So now that I've got my plastic wrap on, I'm basically finished with my solar oven. I decided to attach it at the back and partway along the sides so that I can open up this flap and take things in and out fairly easily. But you can feel free to be creative and explore different ways to attach the wrap. Try out different boxes, compare with family members, see what works and what doesn't work, and have fun with your solar oven. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to actually cook something in your solar oven. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that you've got the sun angled into the box. And I can kind of see a little bit of wiggly sun lines on the inside of my box, and that's how I can tell that I've got the right angle. And I've got a little piece of tape here to secure that angle so it stays nice and aligned. And then today I'm going to be cooking a s'more. I thought that would be a pretty nice treat for today. So I have my s'more assembled, and I'm just going to put it inside of the oven. Alright, so I've got my s'more in the oven. I'm going to take a little piece of tape here to make sure that the plastic wrap stays down, and then we'll wait and see if it cooks. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes and my s'more's been cooking in the oven. I did put a little chopstick here to prop it open because my lid started closing. So now I'm going to open it up and see what it's looking like. Alright, so this is my s'more. It feels pretty hot in here. The plate's pretty hot, so I think it's going to be nice and melty when I close it. And there we go. The marshmallow is all soft, the chocolate's melted, and there's a solar oven s'more.